How to add auto captions in Capcut PC. So first is to log in to your Capcut account. Once you're logged in, on the left portion of your screen, you will see these options. So if you want to start making your own video, you can click this Create New button. But if you want to use templates that are provided by Capcut, then click this Templates option, and then select from the templates provided here. But for me, I want to create my own video, so I'll be selecting this Create New option and then choosing this blank canvas. Now to upload your video, just click this Add button and then select the video that you want to add the caption. So to add captions to this video, all you have to do is select this Captions option located on the left portion of your screen. Now you will be provided with 4 options, which is auto captions, manual captions, upload caption file, or auto lyrics. But for this, we will be using these auto captions. Now select the language that is used in the video. So if another language is used in the video, just click this drop down arrow button and it will show you more languages that you can use. Once you're done, click generate. And now you will see these tabs here, which contains the captions for your video. So when you click this first tab, you can move the caption anywhere in your video, and the rest of the captions will follow. Also, you can edit your captions by using these tools here on the right portion of your screen. So you can select its presets, change the basics of your captions, such as the font size and font style. Also, when you click this text-to-speech, you can select from any of these voice changers. Another is that you can add animations to your caption. So once you're satisfied with how your captions look, you can now click this export button and then click download. So add a name to your video and then click export. Now click download. You'll see the captions added to the video. And so that is how you add auto captions in Capcut PC. Thank you and have a great day.